Welcome to Hope Inspires 247, the spark that ignites the flames of critical thinking and passionate discourse. I'm your host, CC, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey into the world of politics. In a world filled with turmoil and confusion, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from the issues that shape our lives. But we believe that by coming together, sharing our perspective, and engaging in meaningful conversations, we can create a brighter, more just future for all. Today we will be highlighting Chief Tacky. Chief Tacky, also known as Tacky, was a leader of the 1760 slave rebellion in Jamaica, known as Tacky's Rebellion. The rebellion was a significant event in the history of the Caribbean and was one of the most important slave rebellions in the West Indies before the Haitian Revolution. Here are some details about Chief Tacky and the rebellion. Tacky was a Fante royal who was taken from the Gold Coast of Africa and forced to work on a plantation in Jamaica. His name may have meant chief in the Akan and Ga languages. The rebellion began on April 7, 1760, when Tacky and his followers killed white masters and overseers on the Frontier and Trinity plantations. The rebels' goal was to create an independent black nation and take control of the British colony. The British colonial forces, along with Jamaican Maroons, defeated the rebels after a grueling counter-insurgency campaign. Tacky was reportedly shot by a sharpshooter and killed. About 400 rebels were executed, and about 600 were sent to work as enslaved people in the Bay of Honduras. Jamaica celebrates National Chief Day on April 8 to honor Chief Tacky's leadership and bravery. Thank you for watching. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.